Stinky underarms? 15 home remedies that actually work. Ever found yourself in a situation where you're worried about underarm odor? We've all been there, right? You're out and about, and suddenly you notice an unwelcome smell. It can be pretty embarrassing. But don't worry, we've got some awesome home remedies to help you keep things fresh. Let's dive in. So, first things first, what's behind that pesky odor? Underarm odor is actually pretty common. It comes from apocrine glands in your body, which also secrete sweat in your underarms, genitals, and even your nipples. When sweat mixes with bacteria, it can cause that not-so-nice smell. All right, let's dive into some remedies you can try at home. First up is apple cider vinegar. It's got great antimicrobial properties and can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria. Just mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of water, apply it with a cotton pad, let it dry, and rinse off. Easy peasy. Number 2, aloe vera. It's not only great for your skin, but also helps fight bacteria with its antimicrobial properties. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your underarms and leave it overnight, or drink a little aloe vera juice daily to help detox from within. Number 3, iodine. Iodine is another fantastic remedy. It helps restore your skin's pH balance and keeps bacteria at bay. Just apply a few drops to your underarms, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wash it off. Do this once a day for best results. Number 4, baking soda. This common kitchen staple is excellent for neutralizing odors and balancing pH. Make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it to your underarms, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse off. Do this every other day. Number 5, lemon. It's highly acidic and antibacterial. Just rub a lemon half on your underarms, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse off. It's a natural way to tackle that odor. Number 6, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is another great option. Mix it with water and apply it with a cotton ball. It helps kill bacteria and keeps things fresh. Use this 2 to 3 times a week. Number 7, garlic. It might sound surprising, but garlic's antimicrobial properties can help. Eating garlic regularly can help cleanse your body from within. Number 8, potatoes? Yep, they can help too. Just rub a slice on your underarms, let the juice dry, and rinse off. They help balance pH and fight bacteria. Number 9, witch hazel. Witch hazel is great for reducing sweat and bacteria. Just mix it with water and apply it to your underarms a few times a week. Number 10, activated charcoal. Activated charcoal can absorb odors and bacteria. Mix it with water to make a paste, apply it, let it dry, and rinse off. Use this 2 to 3 times a week. 11, coconut oil. Coconut oil is moisturizing and antimicrobial. Apply it daily to keep your underarms fresh. Number 12, castor oil. Castor oil has antibacterial properties too. Apply it to your underarms before bed and wash it off in the morning. 13, boric acid. Boric acid helps balance pH and fight bacteria. Just dust some on your underarms after showering. 14, Epsom salt. Epsom salt baths can also help. Add it to your bathwater, soak for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off. 15, essential oils. Finally, essential oils like lavender not only smell great, but also have antibacterial properties. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and apply it nightly. So there you have it, some great home remedies to tackle underarm odor naturally. If you're struggling with this issue, give these a try and see what works best for you. And remember, prevention is key. Use antiperspirants, wear breathable fabrics, and keep your underarms clean. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.